Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the what is meant by placebo, their history and use in the treatment. First, we are seeing the what is known for placebo. A placebo is used in the medical trials as a control against active medication. Even though a placebo has no active ingredient to cause a positive effect, it can still make a patient feel better, which relates to its origin from the Latin phrases meaning "I shall please." Before its association with the medicine, placebo had a long history of the meaning that is flatterer or to flatter. Anyone who has ever taken a placebo known that they can make you feel better in spite of the fact that they typically contain no active ingredients or substances which might have an effect. This may make sense when one consider the etymology of the word that is placebo, which is comes from the Latin, in which it has the literal meaning of the "I shall please." The medical use of the placebo is not the word first meaning in the English. However, it took a number of the centuries of use before the placebo got around to pleasing people in this manner. Let's see first use of the placebo. The first use of the placebo is in English came in the 13th century, which is referring to the whispers for the dead in the Roman Catholic Church. The placebo is the first word in the first line of the first antiphon, Psalms, that is 114 as to 9. The beginning in the 14th century, the word has a bit of a semantic tinter and took the meanings of the flatterer and the two fatter, which as a known as a which considered as a verb. It was often used in the conjunction with sing or play. The latter association with the medicine is the medical use of the placebo. The medical use of the placebo began to the see use in the latter half of the 18th century, and although it was not until the 19th century that we have textual evidence of the phrases placebo effect. Means the improvement in the condition of the patient that occurs in the response to the treatment but cannot be considered due to the specific condition or treatment use. Now, let's see some history of the placebo. The placebo was used in the medical context in the late 18th century to describe a commonplace method or a medicine. The placebo has featured in the medical use until well into the 20th century. The etymology means what? The placebo is the opening word of the antiphon of the whispers in the office of the dead, which is named as the for the service as a whole. Then see the placebo effect. The placebo effect of a new drug was known anecdotally in the 18th century as demonstrated by the Michael Phillips 1780s quip to a patient that she would take and hurry up while it cures. A similar sentiment was expressed by William in 1803 and Armand in 1833. It is often attributed to the William Osler but without a precise source. The first to recognize and demonstrate the placebo effect was English physician John in 1799. He tested a popular medicine treatment to his time called the Perkin tractors, which were mental pointers supposedly able to draw out disease. They were sold at the extremely high price of the 5 guineas, and Haggard set out up to show that the high cost was unnecessary. He did this by comparing the result from a dummy wooden tractor with a set of allegedly active metal tractor, and published his finding in a book on the imagination as a cause and as a cure of the disorder of the body. The wooden pointer were just as useful as the expensive metal one, showing to a degree which has never been suspected what powerful influence upon diseases is produced by the mere imagination. Thank you.